about yourself and your role within the company.
My name is Roberto Macias. Currently, I hold the position of manufacturing engineer. I started working for the company back in the day in April 1997, coming out with an anniversary of 27 years. Wow, that's pretty good, right?
Absolutely.
If you ask me, I think that it's a good long time.
What makes Atlas Copco a great place to work?
Collaboration with people, believe that we as individuals are providing a service and contributing for a common goal, provide opportunities to allow continued learning, right? So they don't want you to be just knowing one thing, they want you to know a lot more than what you know. So, and that creates, right, trust, confidence, I think.
What do you enjoy most about your position at Atlas Copco?
That's my joy, right? That I get to do things that I like to do, improve things, right?
What does the future hold?
What we did before and continue to do now, it tells a lot about us, that we're still in business, that we provide a great service, that we have experience, that we continue to please our customers, have solutions for their needs. I think so that that's going to continue to propel us to the great future, right? And I mean, as time passes, right, is that we're resilient, and many people have worked through this time. All of us, right, continue to evolve. New technology, right, not only evolving but adapting, right, to whatever we encounter in the future. So having those things as a company, I think that is an easy math, in my opinion, right? Just going to continue to do it well.